Hi guys, welcome to a new video here at the workshop. My name is Malik. There are several ways to reset the password for a local account, and today we will look at one of them. This is a pretty easy way, and it will work on Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8, and if you have any questions along the way, you can write to me in the comments below and I will try to help you. This is actually a big problem when you cannot open your computer. You are trying to remember your password, but it doesn't work. You can reset your password and come up with a new one, but you haven't created a dedicated password reset flash drive. Don't worry, look carefully, repeat exactly after me, step by step, and we will succeed. And so, in order to reset the password we need to open a command prompt. And first I will show you 3 methods to open the command prompt. Method number 1. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key. And then click, here. And restart your computer. The automatic system restore program opens. Click Troubleshoot. Then, Advanced Options. Now click Command Prompt. This was the first way to open a command prompt. Depending on your operating system configuration, the program may ask you for your password before opening a command prompt. In this case, I suggest opening the command prompt in another way. For those who have found the first method to work, you can skip the second and third methods, and go straight to making changes to the registry editor. Method number 2. If your system asks for a password to open a command prompt, you need to connect a Windows 7, 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation USB flash drive to your computer, or you can also use a Windows installation DVD. Usually, using such a bootable USB flash drive or DVD disk, Windows is installed on the computer. Whether your version of Windows is Home or Pro, any edition of Windows will work to reset your password. Connect this USB flash drive or Windows DVD to your computer and restart your computer. Immediately after the start of the reboot, continuously press a certain key on the keyboard to bring up the boot menu. I press the F12 key, for you it could be F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive or DVD in the boot menu, press Enter. The Windows install menu opens, but we won't install anything, we'll just press Shift and F10 at the same time. And the command line immediately opened. Depending on the operating system configuration, sometimes Shift plus F10 does not open a command prompt, then you can use another method. Method number 3. The first few steps of the fourth method are exactly the same as method number 3. We boot the computer from the Windows installation USB flash drive or Windows DVD, and wait for the Windows installation menu to open. But we will not install Windows here either. Click Next. In the menu we will click Repair your computer. The automatic system recovery program has opened. Click Troubleshoot. Now press Command Prompt. Now write in the command prompt, re-get it, and press Enter. The registry editor opens. Here you need to click once, key local machine. Click File. And click Load Hive. Here we need to find the drive where the Windows operating system is installed. On my computer, this drive is marked with the letter C. On your computer or laptop, the drive with Windows installed may be marked with a completely different letter. It may be the letter D or another letter. We also see here a bootable USB flash drive, with which we open the command prompt, and another small Windows partition, or rather its small directory for system files. My computer does not have a separate disk or partition for storing data, and therefore I have the largest disk here. This is the disk with the Windows operating system and I open it. In this window, open the Windows folder. Next, locate and open the folder, System32. In this window, open the folder, Config. Here find the file, System, and double-click on it. In this window, you need to specify a name for the created folder. I will name this folder 1, 2, 3, 4. You can name this folder by any other name. The name of this folder has no meaning for the process. Press OK. Open the folder, key local machine. So, we have created a folder 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we open it. Locate the folder, Setup, and click on it. Now find the file on the right, CMD line, and double-click on it. In the window that opens, write CMD.exe. And click OK. Now find the file, Setup to Pay, and double-click on it. In this window, instead of 0, enter the number 2. Click OK. Then find the folder 1, 2, 3, 4, and click on it once. Then click File, and click Unload Hive. Click Yes, and close this folder. Close Command Prompt, and click Continue loading Windows. If you use the second method, close Command Prompt, close the installation menu, click Yes, the computer will automatically restart. The operating system has started loading. The command prompt was opened. Here we will write net, click spacebar, user, click Enter. Now we see our account name, my name, Malik. Here we write net, press spacebar, user, click the spacebar, your account name, I write Malik. Press spacebar, put a sign, an asterisk. For this, press on the keyboard, Shift and number 8, at the same time, and click Enter. We do not write the password, we have deleted the password, and instead of the password, we have an empty space. Click Enter. Then you need to press again, Enter. As a result, the command was successfully completed. Now we do not have a password, and the command prompt can be closed. If your name is made up of several separate words, this could be a problem. In this case, try this. Try putting your name between the two hooks, for example, James Bond. In this line write, net, press spacebar, user, press spacebar, James Bond, press spacebar, put an asterisk. Try to enter your name without the spacebar in one word, for example, James Bond. Try these different options. We close the command prompt, and to do this, write, exit. We click Enter, and we started to reboot the computer. Click here. And now we do not enter a password, and we entered our system without any problems. If you have forgotten your password and it is very important for you to unlock your computer, repeat all these steps and you can also reset your password. And so, we removed the password and now our PC is left unprotected, and any unauthorized person can use our personal data. Now I will set a new password on my computer, and if you need to do that too, follow me step by step and you will protect your computer or laptop if you set a new password. Press the button, Start, then, Settings. In this window, press, Accounts. Sign-in options. Click, Password. And here click, Add. A window has opened, and here you need to enter a new password. Confirm new password. Here you need to enter a password hint.